you have. Would you like to hear a story of Darth Vader and a New Hope?
Thank you, Yoda. No, we don't want to hear.
Something funny I remembered.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to shut him up. Anyway, this is Tom Styles, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And a video or two ago, I was talking about listening to the HF band for communications between aircraft and airports, controllers. Again, on the HF band, so I'm trying that right now. We're on 8.825. Let's see if there's any activity. There was a few minutes ago, but you never know. Well, there was a scratch there on the screen. How did I do that? Oh, there we go. Yeah, we may have to depend on Yoda to entertain us while we're waiting for something to come on.
May the Force be with you.
Yep, I need the Force right now. Come on. What do you think, Yoda?
Ah, much wisdom, I sense. Learn from each other we can.
It's bad. It's totally dead. Like somebody flipped the switch. Don't have the Force with me. Come on, Yoda. Help me out here.
Stories of adventure, dangerous enemies, the Sith and the Jedi I speak of. Squeezed too hard, you have.
Sorry. Come on.
Much you have learned, but more there is. Test your knowledge, shall I?
No. No, we don't want to test my knowledge.
Always learning. A Jedi is. Test your knowledge, we will. Who does Obi-Wan fight on the planet of Utapau? Count Dooku, Darth Sidious, General Grievous.
Don't remember that one.
Count Dooku,
Oh.
Darth Sidious, General Grievous.
Yeah, what the heck?
Correct. The answer is good. You have done.
Wow.
Who is captured by the bounty hunter Boba Fett? Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, Darth Vader.
Han Solo?
Luke Skywalker,
No.
Han Solo. Easy for you, this is. Good. You have done. Very good. Who does the Jedi Council approve of to train Anakin? Qui-Gon, Yoda, Obi-Wan. Qui-Gon, Yoda, Obi-Wan. Correct. The answer is paying attention. You have been.
You're going to steal the whole show.
What planet does Anakin go to rescue Obi-Wan?
Phew.
Tatooine, Geonosis, Camino.
Don't know that. I'm going to just hold here and see if I can get anything on the radio. Because you're stealing the whole show. Nothing. Let's try 117. Oops. What did I do wrong? Too slow. 11175.
Feel the Force flow around you. Always in motion is the Force.
Now this is where you normally hear military HF aircraft communications. Getting some kind of interference. You doing that? Are you doing that?
Tickles me to have.
Whoop. Use the force. Make it work. We need reception here.
Would you like to hear a story?
No.
Anakin Skywalker and the Attack of the Clones.
No, we want to hear something on the radio. Nothing. Let me see if I can. It's 10:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Not the best time to be listening to HF. Let's see if we're getting WWV on 15 megahertz.
Be mindful of your appearance. Fear, anger, hate, all are signs.
Not too good. Lots of noise. Try 10 megahertz. Lots of noise. You can hear it. Not very well. So I guess we missed our window. Yeah. Well, I tried. I thought for sure I had it there a few minutes ago, and then of course when I get everything set up, it goes away. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Stories of adventure, dangerous enemies.
Yeah.
And the Jedi I speak of.
Well, I should have let you tell us the story. It would have been more interesting.